In this video, you'll learn how to route both MIDI and audio into Filterverse using FL Studio. Filterverse can receive both audio and MIDI at the same time, unlocking powerful features such as MIDI note and velocity modulation, retriggering the ADSR, LFO, and random generator, tuning the internal oscillator, and even sample-accurate MIDI CC automation for all parameters. If you simply want to use Filterverse as a standard audio effect, load it into an insert slot in your DAW, no additional setup required. But if you want to take advantage of Filterverse's MIDI functionality, just follow the steps in this video. Start by assigning an insert channel to a track on your playlist and drag an audio file onto that track. Add Filterverse as an insert effect on that track. Open the plugin settings for Filterverse and set its MIDI input port to a number of your choice. Next, add a MIDI out channel on a second track and set its port to match the one you assigned in Filterverse. Filterverse is now receiving both MIDI and audio in FL Studio. To get notified about new tutorials like this one, as well as sound design demos and walkthroughs, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. You're also invited to join our Discord community. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your journey through the expanding Filterverse.